leading candles niya above the bullish engulfing candle. Okay, so just like this, it closes above. And so we have here, yeah, and we take a look at the previous resistance levels as our target. Okay, so that's how we trade this one, the hammer. And another thing is yung mga doji. Okay, so remove lang natin yung mga drawings natin, sobrang dami na, no? Okay, so doji, yeah, doji is actually like this, no? Yung mga ganyan lang, or meron siyang maliit na ganyan, and you have this one. Okay, mas mahaba yung mga wicks niya as compared sa body. Okay, so those are the dojis. Okay, so again, we look for the support and resistance levels. Okay,